In this video, we will show you how to install a theme on your WordPress website. Thinking about giving your website a fresh new vibe? Ready to redesign it to improve user experience, boost functionality, and show off your brand's personality? Whether you want to refresh the site's layout, update its color scheme, or make it more mobile-friendly, there are many options to explore. Let's talk about how you can change your website's theme to attract more visitors and keep them engaged. Just a reminder, always back up your website first. This keeps all your content and custom settings safe so you can restore them if needed. This step helps you avoid losing any data when you change the theme. To access the WordPress dashboard through your Bluehost account, follow these steps. In your browser, click on Login in the top banner of our Bluehost website, or head straight to the Bluehost login page using this link. Enter your user ID and password. You can also use your social login credentials if you have set them up. Enter the verification code sent to your email, then click Verify Code. In your Bluehost account, click Websites in the left menu. Click the WordPress admin button for the website you wish to manage. Your WordPress dashboard will open in a new tab. To install a theme in the WordPress admin dashboard, follow these steps. Once logged into your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance in the left menu and select Themes. In the Themes section, you can view the installed themes on your WordPress dashboard. To add a new theme, click on Add Theme. You can choose a theme from the Popular, Latest, Block Themes, or Favorites tabs. You also have the option to add premium themes. You will be redirected to the WordPress Marketplace page, where you can purchase the premium theme of your choice. You can also browse themes by specific features using the Feature filter. Select the subject, features, and layout, and then click Apply Filter to view themes based on your selections. You can search for a theme using the search function. Once you find your preferred theme, you can install it right away. You can also learn more about the theme by clicking on Details and Preview. Go ahead and click Install. After the installation, click Activate. Your website will now be using the new theme. To install a theme using the upload method in the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps. If you have downloaded a WordPress theme as a zip file, typically when purchased separately, you can upload and activate it through your WordPress dashboard. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance in the left menu, and then select Themes. On the Themes page, click on Upload. Click on Choose File and select the zip file of the WordPress theme. Click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the theme. The new theme is now active. Congratulations! You now know how to install a theme for your WordPress website. Check out our video on how to manually upload and activate a theme using PHP My Admin.